Went early.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Southern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Algonquin to near Canton Hills to near Sugar Grove to near Yorkville, moving at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Elgin, Waukegan, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Skokie, Jet Plains, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Winston, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Glenview, and Elmhurst. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois.
Take a look at this CC.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
To the policy, what I've said is we all kind of want to achieve, and that is we want to make it easier for people to.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 9 p.m. At 8:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from South Lawndale to near Mokina, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, public. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Hammond, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Oak Park, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Austin, South Shore, Roseland, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Lawndale, Midway Airport, West Town, Burbank, Lansing, Oak Forest, Melrose Park, and Harvey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana.
obviously the latter is. Now, what Governor Abbott is trying to do here is he's trying to stay on the good side of
Weekend from some of her activism. Nothing you know about Rachel from TV is
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 9:30 p.m. At 9:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over South Holland or over Lansing, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hammond, Calumet City, East Chicago, Lansing, Highland, Munster, Dothan, South Holland, and Linwood around 9:05 p.m. Gary, Griffith, and Whiting around 9:10 p.m. Bone zones, tornado warning. 12. Take cover now. Move to a basement floor and clear the room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
the blob being the deep state NGO symbiote.